The country we were going to talk about is Belgium.
The flag of Belgium is a three-color flag, yellow and red.
The capital of Belgium is Brussels. The population of Belgium is around 11 million people.
The speaking language is Belgium, Dutch, French and German.
The typical food is the waffle.
The more representative monument is the atomium.
The hog is the typical animal in Belgium.
Come and visit our country soon.
Goodbye!
The country we are going to join is Italy.
The capital of Italy is Rome.
The Italian flag has vertical stripes.
The flag is green, white and red.
The population is 60 million people.
The most important monument is the Coliseum.
The typical food is pizza and the typical symbol is scooter.
The official language is Italian.
Come and visit our country.
Goodbye.
The country is Ireland.
The capital of Ireland is Dublin.
The flag of Ireland is orange, red, white and green.
The population of Ireland is 5 million people.
The representative monument is the Wellington Monument.
The typical food is
Stew.
The godlike symbol of Ireland is the shamrock.
a typical animal is the deer.
Goodbye.